Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today's video is just the last episode of the video, but I just thought I'd give you guys what happens in the previous video. While you're watching, this is Ambition. It's a cruise ship. This cruise ship departs from Bristol all the way to Tilbury in London. So guys, all you have to do is go online and book. Make sure you book and also purchase insurance. Your passport is required. Guys, there's a lot of food and entertainment on board. But we booked this, and also when we go on board, we got upgraded. So the tour of the room will come up later. Please make sure you watch the video to the end to enjoy what happened at the later stage of the tour. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's our first cruise ship, and this is the last part of the ship, the last part of our cruise, and this include entertainment and also arrival of the ship. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. While you're watching the video, consider liking the video and also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Well, thank you very much. Let's get in straight. Hello, Steve. Wow. Sausage. Hash brown. Hello. Wow. Morning, how are you? What's that?
Omelette.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Can I have omelette with a bit of vegetable, please? Yeah.
With pepper.
With pepper, yeah.
Only pepper?
Oh, make it nice with cheese.
Pepper and cheese.
Yeah. Wow. 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 It's nice. It looks very exotic. Ah. Yeah. Definitely see you. Yeah? Okay. Alright. Guys, can you imagine they actually making me omelets fresh from the fire? Beautiful. But continuing enjoying this amazing place. What do you have?
I have muesli, smoked salmon, cream cheese.
What's that?
Yeah, it's just here, look.
Smoothie, nice. Oh, they have fruit yogurt as well. Muesli. Yeah. I'm having an omelette. Do you want something?
I will do when I do my main.
Okay, they baked it. Amazing. I'll continue vlogging. So yeah, consider liking the video and also turning your notification buttons on. It's very important. I don't know if you can see, but it's full of weird. It have like a weird feeling. Like I don't know whether the boat is going this way or this way, because we're in our balcony, it's going this way, but now it's like we're heading towards somewhere. And it's so weird, but so far so good. Actually enjoying this amazing experience. Like the view, look at the crushing waves. So beautiful, like wow. And I used to watch people create content on their boat, but this is just fab. Yeah, if you consider doing a cruise, guys, let me know when you're doing it, or if you've been on a cruise already, let me know your experience, because I want to hear from you, like how your first day at sea, like to me it felt like sensational, because in our balcony it felt different, and here it felt like you're in some open place where you can't see anything around you. Look, or you can see some birds. So beautiful. Well, I'm going to go back in now to see what else is up there. Right, stay tuned, guys. Wow. Wow! That's amazing! So beautiful, guys. So mesmerized.
Thank you.
I'm going to make this, definitely. Wow, guys, it's so sweet and refreshing. Wow. The view outside is amazing. It's like we are approaching Tilbury. I heard it from someone. They go fast, I heading from somewhere. They go fast, they don't think. And hopefully we can change for lunch. Fresh weather, beautiful day. Let's get. The room tour begins, guys. So this is our room. This is how beautiful the room is. This is how beautiful the room is. It's a genius suite on the deck 10. So you can have the view here. You can open the door as well. I'll show you the whole room, how it looks like. Like very clean. They actually have a bath. Can you believe that, guys? They have a bath. Wow, it's very tidy, this one. Yeah, that's the bathroom. Give you fresh towels. Yeah, look, maybe we might probably have a bath tonight. Yeah. So yeah, what do you think? Yeah, it's upgrade. The upgrade actually costs about 250 for the 2 nights. Yeah, normally Jay was saying it costs a lot of money to book this room, so we were lucky, first time cruising, and got this upgrade. So if you did enjoy this room tour, please do let me know in the comment section, because you know I like doing this kind of tours. Give you an idea before you get here. They have like what this thing, loafer. What else they have here? Shower cap, vanity kit, dental kit. What else they have here? A lot of stuff. What is this one? Sanitary pad. Yeah. And yeah, amazing, right? I actually like the bathroom. The pressure of this shower, guys, is so amazing. So what you do is that's the heat. You flip that one to the heat. If you want a cold water, you flip it all the way down, and then flip that one to get the shower from the top. If you flip it down, this one. Yeah, so guys, amazing. Let's get out. If you did enjoy the video so far, please consider liking. Big wardrobe, like very huge. There's a life jacket in there. There's a lot of hangers, so you don't have any problem. Places where to put your clothes. And also they give you robe, where the other rooms they don't give you robe. I need to remember not to lose my scarf. And there's a lot of space here for you. And this how the ship map look like. We somewhere views. Where's Penzance? So we pass through. Wow, so we cruise all the way here. Wow. Right, so we're going to get dinner. Where the dinner is served, Borough Market, that's where we're going. Hello. Oh, wow. Guys, we're going to Borough Market. That's the market. Let's get in there.
We have a nice Spanish paella.
Oh, paella.
Seafood in it.
Best paella for members of cruises.
Wow. Do you have a fried rice today? Oh.
Maybe tonight.
Oh, look at that.
Nice. Try one and try some.
Maybe later. Let's have some baked chicken. Yeah, I can bring them. properly.
Why don't it work when you free tomorrow?
No, even breakfast, I'm not sure.
Sure.
Huh? Guys, that was amazing. Look, I can't even open my eyes. The food, I'm so tired. So much food. Pasta, rice, paella, all you can think of. That's my lunch. I'm going to snooze. I'll see you guys later. Sick. I need to find where the bar is. Oh yeah. You're right.
Yes, you.
Yeah, where's the bars?
The what?
The bar.
The bar, up one more. Cabin club.
Oh, where is that?
Up one more. And that way.
Is it busy up there?
It's really busy.
Oh, yeah. So should I?
Upstairs.
Oh, okay.
And then behind.
Alright. I'm just trying to see where it's busy. Is it busy up there?
Hello.
Hello. Say hello to the vlog.
Hello.
Are you? Wait. Welcome to the vlog. Where's the busy one? Where's the busy?
One more.
Oh,
X7 now. One more.
yeah.
Forward.
What's your name?
Dian.
Dian.
Yeah, man.
Nice to meet you. Here's the channel.
Puntubi.
Yeah, gonna find you.
Gana Puntubi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
My present.
Thank you. All right. Okay, I'm going to the bar. Oh, we're going to the cabin. Wow, it's busy up here. All right, guys, look where we are. We're going to the cabin. I'm just exploring. I just want to see what's up here. They told me it's busy, so let's go. Let's go see. All right. Oh, wow. Hiya. Wow. Wow. Silence disco, guys. It's silence disco, guys. Can you believe it? They have no idea what music is being played. Like people are dancing. Wow. So beautiful, guys. Everybody is dancing. Everybody have their microphone. I'm the only one no dancing, but look. It's beautiful.
You guys hear every word this one, huh?
So, this bar is a disco, but it's a silent disco. The people behind me there, what they were doing is they put a microphone on, the music is being played so loud you can't even hear. But guys, it's amazing. Look at the bar, beautiful bar. We're actually on an ambassador ambition. The cruise ship is amazing, guys. It's amazing. Like, I think you should check on the link and send us details if you want to experience this gorgeous ship. It's amazing. I'm here, I think it's about 2 a.m. and the bar is still open. That's the experience you want with your friends or something special, right? Come on, check us the link. Yeah, send us details. We're here to help you make sure your experience is lush. Amazing. I'm having so much time. I just asked these guys to send me the menu to see what I could find, you know? Amazing. Alright, so guys, I just finished my night. I just bought internet for 2 days. It cost me £20. Unfortunately, you can only connect to 2 devices. But, you know, I want to post some videos. I want to check how the channel is doing. I want to check some works. So yeah, so guys, 2 days, £20. You can only connect to 2 devices. When it's busy, your internet will drop, you know. Yeah, it was amazing talking to the guys. So I'm going up. I'll definitely see you in the morning. Thank you so much for today. Please continue supporting this channel. the sea, at sea. I don't know whether we're still in England, in Italy,
We're not in Italy.
we're in Wales,
Not in
Scotland, Ireland. I don't know.
Wales. There's some land over there.
Yeah, beautiful. In our balcony.
Imagine it's cold.
Wow, guys, this is gorgeous. Like waking up with this beautiful therapeutic sound. I think when we go out, I'll probably leave my phone outside to get about 10 minutes of these crashing waves, protected by to lock my phone somewhere to get the sound. So beautiful, guys. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put the camera down here so that I can actually enjoy 1 minute of these crashing waves. So enjoy. It's for you. Crashing waves. It's huge. That's our room this morning from the balcony. It's a little bit messy, but it's okay. I still have food. Jay's shoes there. My office is still really good. Is it big enough? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, we're going for breakfast. We haven't changed. We just had a brush. Wow. You going to Norway?
No, we'll get on up here at Tilbury. Yeah.
Oh,
And then drive all the way back to Bristol.
yeah, we're going to Bristol.
Yeah.
Wow. I just like how they do that. It's so beautiful.
What channel have you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's my channel. The video will be out on Wednesday. So we just start docking at the Tilbury port, guys. Like all these fountains like they display, and it depends where you are at the part of the ship. We are actually at the purple bar by the reception. Yeah, it's just so pretty cool. Like I'm so tired. I had coffee, breakfast, but I'm so knackered this morning. But looking at the fountain, it's just so beautiful, guys. I don't know, the window is a little bit steamy, but I'll definitely display how we saw it from the balcony. So for this one is going the same way for 48 hours of our cruise from Bristol to Tilbury. Yeah, it's been amazing 48 hours. We met amazing people. We stayed in amazing room. So that's the room there. Wow, just arriving in Tilbury in this way is pretty cool. If you want to get this experience, check the link in the description. You can email JA. The link in the description will give you all the details you need to book this experience. It's pretty amazing. Wow, it's just super amazing. Like, we just had a breakfast. Unfortunately, I couldn't get you guys like any footage of the breakfast before arriving, but it's the final day of our booked tour. I mean, our cruise. It's the final day of our cruise. I mean, last morning we just had a breakfast. Sorry, unfortunately, it was a rushy one. I couldn't get a breakfast for you guys, but look at this. We're in Tilbury. We are 1 hour away from Paddington. We have no idea how to get to Paddington, so I'll definitely let you guys know how we managed to get from Tilbury to Paddington. It's quite a very busy last night. Yeah, amazing. Looking at these guys here protecting this cruise ship to the port, it's quite amazing actually. Voila. We're out. Wow. So that's the end of our tour. Now let's get to Bristol. Thank you so much. If you did enjoy this amazing tour, it was amazing meeting you guys and enjoying this tour with you guys through the lens. And I thank you. That was amazing, guys. From Tilbury, we just arrived at the port of Tilbury. 48 hours just yeah, just finished. The time right now is 8:45 in the morning. No, I'm wrong. 7:45 in the morning. Guys, so beautiful. Well, hopefully we can do more of these amazing journeys. It's the first time. The experience was wow. Right. Yeah, thank you so much. Alright, so guys, we're disembarking. We're checking out.
Race 1 for digital board.
Hiya. You alright? Thank you.
See you next time.
Thank you very much. Wow. Bye bye.
Your luggage with you.
Yeah.
Lovely. Straight
Thank
through.
you so much. Hey. Wow. Morning. How are you? We're going to Tilbury station, train station. Oh wow. Wow. There's taxis everywhere. Yeah. We're actually out. Finally, we're going to get a taxi now. Here we are. So the interesting thing is when you get out of the cruise, when you don't have luggage or you don't have a coach, you can grab a taxi from outside the terminal. Just bear in mind, have cash. Just in case, because most of the drivers don't accept credit cards, especially in the morning, unless you have a pre-booked one, but just have cash. Yeah, so we're here at the station. We're going to the train station at Tilbury, then we're getting a train from here to Fenchurch, then Paddington, then home. Can I get a train from here to Bristol, please?
Bristol?
Yeah.
Return or single?
Oh, single, straight to Bristol. Open, yeah?
I've got a few. I've got Bristol Empire, Bristol Parkway,
Templemead.
Tilbury,
Yeah. 2 for 2, yeah?
2 people.
Yeah. I forgot that.
Leaving you behind.
I bet she won't be pleased with that. Right, so it's 10 minutes to the hour. 10 minutes to 9. We are at the Tilbury train station. We got a train ticket for 2. We're heading all the way to Templemead, Bristol. Yeah, we don't need to. I think we need to change in Fenchurch, then Parkway. No, we need to change in Fenchurch, then Paddington, Tilbury. Next stop is French Church, and then from there we get a train to Paddington, and from there we get another train to Tilbury. Then from Tilbury we'll probably get a taxi to the port to get a car. So these train tickets are actually going to take us all the way to Bristol. We don't have to buy any extra tickets. This will take us straight to Bristol. Yeah, it's quiet, not bad this morning. Quite relaxing train actually. Just about to get to Fenchurch, and from there we're changing, getting to Paddington, Fenchurch. We just about to get off, then we're changing from here to Paddington. We're changing at Whitechapel, and from there hopefully we can get a train to Paddington. Then yeah, it's quite tricky this morning. We're tired actually, so we're just finding our way to get to Bristol. We're on a London Underground at the moment, so we're using the same ticket anyway from Tilbury. So yeah, so guys, stay tuned. Elizabeth Lane, we're going up. You're lucky. We're here, Paddington. Let's get out. Well, finally, we're here at Paddington. Next stop is the train to Bristol. We don't know what time the next train is, but we're here. This lane is actually Elizabeth Lane. It's one of the new lines. Beautiful line. It's quite unique actually. I think it's the first time Jay is using it, so it's quite unique. Right, so let's get out then and get to the proper Paddington station. Paddington, one of the most beautiful train stations in England, from platform 9. First class. Wow. We're on board. Heading to Bristol Tilbury. The journey should be 1 hour 40 minutes tops. Then from there we're getting a taxi to the port to get a car. Then 48 hours cruise journey finish. Well, guys, thank you so much. It was amazing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Well, guys, we're back at where we left the car. Jay is going to fetch the car now. Yeah, it was amazing. 48 hours. Beautiful cruise. Will I do it again? Yes, we'll definitely do it again. So guys, thank you so much. Consider liking the video and share this video with multiple people. Thank you so much. From Ghana Friendship. That's the energy we keep on the channel. Bye bye for now. Bye.